ChatGPT, an AI-powered sensation making waves in the tech and business realms. This revolutionary chatbot learns and responds like a human, sparking lively discussions about its potential across sectors. Despite sparking various discussions and debates, the novel tool remains steadfast, showing promising growth in applications in diverse sectors. In this video, we'll explore intriguing, curious, and lesser-known facts about this sensational AI-powered paradigm. ChatGPT stands out in the AI landscape because it was released publicly, but there are other equally capable AI projects that people may not have tried. Major tech companies and startups have developed generative AI tools, some of which have not been made available to the public. Meta released BlenderBot earlier, but it was overly cautious and not engaging. Google, Meta, and others are now rushing to prepare their AI offerings for public use, following ChatGPT's success. While ChatGPT is not uniquely powerful, its boldness and availability sets it apart from other AI systems. ChatGPT's release in November 2022 was a massive success, surpassing 1 million users within just 5 days. Comparatively, other popular platforms like Facebook, Spotify, and Netflix took much longer to reach the same milestone, making ChatGPT's rapid rise to popularity truly remarkable. According to the Wall Street Journal, OpenAI's net worth is currently estimated to be nearly $29 billion as per unnamed sources. This substantial rise from around $14 billion in 2021 demonstrates the remarkable growth of their products, highlighting their tremendous potential. OpenAI implements a capped profit structure to prevent investors from earning more than 100 times their investment. This measure ensures the organization remains committed to developing safe and society-friendly AI products and avoids undue influence from its investors. ChatGPT analyzed over 570 gigabytes of internet text to gain a deep understanding of the natural human language, equivalent to over 1.3 million books, or 3 times the text in the Library of Congress, which happens to be the world's largest library. The training at ChatGPT utilized nearly 176 billion parameters, which demanded a substantial number of powerful GPUs. A study suggests that in the future developers might need more than 30,000 NVIDIA GPUs to train this AI-empowered tool. In 2023, ChatGPT set a new record by delivering over 100 million answers to diverse questions on various subjects. Combining all these responses would require an area 20 times the size of the Library of Congress. ChatGPT achieved a historic 60% accuracy on the U.S. medical licensing examination, without any assistance from a human clinician. The USMLE is a set of standardized tests that aspiring medical professionals must clear to obtain a license to practice. This achievement opens new possibilities for using AI and diagnosing and treating medical conditions effectively. The AI-enabled multimodal large language model GPT-4 demonstrated outstanding performance in the Uniform Bar exam, scoring in the 90th percentile. This achievement is viewed as a significant milestone for the potential use of AI in the legal field and the judiciary. ChatGPT is a remarkable tool, but has limitations. These limitations include its reliance on vast amounts of data, the absence of common sense and empathy, limited personalization capabilities, and being standalone during the launch and research phase without internet connectivity. It may generate biased or inaccurate responses due to its training data and struggle with complex concepts. ChatGPT has been found to deliver incorrect and outdated information, leading to bans on platforms like Stack Overflow, where users flooded the site with AI-generated answers. A professor also shared an example on Twitter where ChatGPT produced a paper that would likely receive an F grade. As a result, users need to critically evaluate and verify the outputs from ChatGPT to ensure accuracy and reliability. Responsible use of this tool is crucial in maximizing its benefits. ChatGPT's arrival in education raises concerns about its potential to perpetuate biases and stereotypes due to its training on biased internet data. It may hinder human interaction and personalized feedback, leading to a one-size-fits-all learning approach. Additionally, there's a risk of inaccurate information being generated, impacting students' learning and understanding. As of now, there are 7 countries where ChatGPT is effectively banned by their respective governments and ruling parties. The list includes Russia, China, North Korea, Cuba, Iran, Syria, and Italy. Several countries banned the application due to privacy concerns, while North Korea, China, and Russia claimed that the US would use ChatGPT to spread misinformation. Having said all of those facts, in conclusion, for now, the future of ChatGPT technology is full of possibilities and opportunities, but it also presents several challenges and risks. By prioritizing robust security features, continually refining datasets, and balancing technology with human skills, we can make the most out of this amazing technology. Thank you for watching.